when I first met you. Sincerely, no lie, I was thinking this is meant to be. She's so fly, and just the kind of lady that the doctor ordered. Yes, the same look in her eyes, the one in her daughter. And I can't tell you how much you mean to me. I can only show you my love, but you be my queen, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to wonder. Just keep it real, let no man take us under. Caught in this rapture, we found bliss. Love shouldn't tax you. It's like this, from moment to moment. And yo, it's nothing but the golden, embracing and holding. Look at me, yo, I'm showing you the way the angels play. What can I say? It's the mere fact that God placed us here today. So I give it all up to these times, all in latitude, relish in the joy with nothing but gratitude. I know with feelings, the growth is gradual, but you got me feeling when we close, it's nothing casual. I'm thinking all kind of things. Wedding bell setting says you got me love. And I don't see no getting well. It's natural, letting the gel coming together. You and me, thick as thieves, not fair weather. Friends, no ends, man. None of that. Just hold it down, baby, cause I got it under wraps. I know you find it hard to trust another, but I'ma tell you right here, I'm not that type of brother. Never been at cross purpose, never been at odds. I'm forever trying to further this like it's a job, and I'm shooting for the CEO. Yeah, the big banks, that would be your heart. And this case, and as you can see, obviously, I'm never slack. Just let me inside, and I forever got your back. Ain't nothing like a little love to set the mind right. That's why my little mommy gotta have her mind tight. I'm saying, too much adversity in this world, so I shouldn't have to deal with that. From my girl in a swirl of emotions that exploding, get you caught frozen. But I'm living life like it's golden. It's something that I've chosen. Ace in the hand, and sincerely, this man is not folding. When I was down and out, there was no doubt you was at my side. When I was up against them odds, you said, come on, let's ride. When I fell through in them jobs, you called me dignified, and every time I was about to fly,